There was a village, Deva. There were farmers, Rudra. Aha, Raita Deva. Sannu farmer friends, Rudra. Daily they were talking, Deva. Surya, because of you only we all are good. ನಿನ್ನಿಂದನೇ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಬೆಳಕು. ಕ್ರಾಪ್ಸ್ ಕಮ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು. ರೈನ್ ಬರೋದು ನಿನ್ನಿಂದಾನೆ. ಬಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಟೈಮ್ ರೈನ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಕಮ್. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಅಸ್. ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಪಾಪ. ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ದೆಮ್. Yes, yes. We will tell Modana to give rain. Modana is always sleepy. ಹೌದು, ಸೋಂಬೇರಿ. ಹೀಗೆ ಮೋಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ರುದ್ರ. ಮೋಡ gave rain, Deva. Everyone were happy, Rudra. But one day, ರಣ 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 ಬಿಸಿಲು, ದೇವಾ. ರಣ 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 ಬಿಸಿಲು ಒಣಗುತ್ತಿದೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಸಲು. ಅಡೆಯಲಾರದಿ ಆಟ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಸೂರ್ಯನ ಮಾಟ. ಯಾಕೆ ಸೂರ್ಯ ಬರ್ತೀಯ ನಮ್ಮೂರಿಗೆ, ಬಂದು ಕಾಟ ಕೊಡ್ತೀಯ ನಮ್ಮೂರಿಗೆ. ಛೇ, ಆಕಾಟು ಶೂರ ನಮ್ಮೂರಿಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾನೋ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸೋ ಹಾಟ್. ಹಬ್ಬ, I cannot work in the heat. Sun, go away from our village. ಸೂರ್ಯ ಹೊರಟೋಗು. ಯಾಕೆ ಸೂರ್ಯ ಬರ್ತೀಯ ನಮ್ಮೂರಿಗೆ, ಬಂದು ಕಾಟ ಕೊಡ್ತೀಯ ನಮ್ಮೂರಿಗೆ. Nobody loves me. They all want me to leave. ನಾನೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ದೆ? They are cutting trees and blaming me. I am feeling sad. They want me to go. This is very bad. I will go away with all my light and ray. I will never come here. I am not dead here. ಸೂರ್ಯ ದೂರದ ಕಾಡಿನ ಬೆಟ್ಟದ ಹಿಂದೆ ಹೋಯಿತು, ರುದ್ರ. ಸೂರ್ಯ ಬೆಟ್ಟದ ಹಿಂದೆ ಇದ್ದೆ, ದೇವಾ. ವಿಲೇಜ್ ಬಿಕೇಮ್ ಡಾರ್ಕ್, ರುದ್ರ. ಹಳ್ಳಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕತ್ತಲು, ದೇವಾ. ಅಯ್ಯೋ, ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿಸ್? ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ ಸನ್ಲೈಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ರಾಮಣ್ಣ, you are the reason for this. What did I do? You scolded son. For that he gone. You only bring him back. Oh no! What shall I do now? Don't worry. I will go and bring the sun. ಕಾಡು ಮೇಡು ಗುಡ್ಡದತ್ತ ಹಸು ಹೊರಟಿತು. ಸೂರ್ಯನನ್ನು ಕರೆತರುವ ಬರವ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿತು. ಕಾಡು ದಾಟಿ ಮೇಡು ದಾಟಿ ಗುಡ್ಡ ಹತ್ತಿತು. ಮೇಲೆಯಿಂದ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಸೂರ್ಯ ಕಂಡಿತು. Yay, Surya! Why are you here? Come to our village. No, I will not come. You all scolded me. No, no, no. I will not come. You can go. Whatever you say. My answer is no, no, no. Oh no. What shall I tell to Ramanna? If you don't come with me, he will be very sad. I will not come. You can go. My answer is no, no, no. Aha, Rudra. Aha, Deva. Cow could not bring sun, Rudra. It came back to village, Deva. It went to Ramana, Rudra. Ramana was waiting, Deva. Oh, cow has come. Cow, where is sun? He didn't come with me. Oh no, what to do now? Ramana, I will go. I am so big. I could only not bring him. You are so small. How can you bring him? Ramana, please let me try. Okay, be careful. There is a big forest. Okay. Ayyo, I am scared of darkness. It is so dark. But I have to search Surya. ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಜಾಗ ಬಿಡಿ ಕೊಕ್ಕೊ ಹಳ್ಳಿ ದಾಟಿ ಆಯ್ತು ಕೊಕ್ಕೊ ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಕಾಡು ಬಂತಲ್ಲ ಕೊಕ್ಕೊ ಬೆಟ್ಟ ಹತ್ತುತ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಕೊಕ್ಕೊ ಸೂರ್ಯ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಲಗಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಕೊಕ್ಕೊ ಏ ಸೂರ್ಯ lazy fellow get up. Yay, who are you? I am Ramana's hand. How many times I should tell you? I will not come. You can go. My answer is no. Please, Surya. Without you, whole village is in darkness. So what should I do? Please come with me. No. You can go. Okay, I will go. But you have to promise me one thing. What promise? Surya, I am scared of darkness. This forest is really dark. So what should I do? Whenever I am scared, I'll call help like this. You should come and save me. Okay, promise. Did not bring sun to village Deva. Then what happened, Rudra? You only see Deva. Oh look, sun is coming. Where is sun? Wait. Where is sun? Where is sun? Hey look, sun is rising over the mountain. He is coming. Due to promise, sun had to come, Rudra. Adike, whenever the encroach, sun came, Deva. This is the story of Kokoko, Rudra. This is the story of Yan and Surya Deva. They became friends, Rudra. Lived happily, Deva.